Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a video of Td5 raw sound, no bullshit, straight up engine noise, exhaust noise, straight through exhaust, popcorn limiter. Beautiful day here in Scotland. We're up in the Smaglen just now in Perthshire. Let's get to it. Right, so we had a slight issue. Crankshaft sensor shot itself, so I had to replace that. I've managed to fix it, but it's not fixed in time for the video. So this video does not have much popcorn limiting, but we're going to do a part 2 soon with my friend Rory's car. We're going to do my brother's RS3. We're going to do other cars in the fleet of pure sounds, but I'm going to give you a wee teaser now anyway. Nice, brother. There's a couple clips of what's to come in part 2, more popcorn limiter and a lot louder. This is a little bit tame, but the next one's going to be a lot bigger. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to keep up to date with what we're doing. Remember, when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away the Dawn, this car here, which I took around the North Coast 500. So get subscribing, get hitting the like button and get following.